Hello and welcome to a Noritake tutorial video. In this video, we're going to send text and an image to our connected GTCP module. So if you've been following along with this tutorial series, you've already installed your driver software on your Windows 7 PC, or skip part 1 because you're using either Windows 8 or Windows 10. If you skip part 1, you can download this GTOP tool, which is what we will use to send text and an image to the display, and that can be downloaded from here with this URL. This will be in the video description as well. So once you have GTOP downloaded, you can go over to the GTOP download folder, double click on GTOP, and hit run, and GTOP will pop up, and we're going to use the memory tool aspect of GTOP for this tutorial. So click on memory tool and we'll hop over to the memory tool application. So first we have to make sure the module or model is the same as the module. We have to specify the port as well. So hit the down arrow to list all your ports, and we'll choose Noritake display as that is the WinUSB driver. So once that's connected, you'll see that this display status bar has changed to connected with the correct resolution and the correct module type. So now we can go over to Commander and right click on the text box, go down to set up outline font and built-in Japanese font, and this will generate a whole bunch of command code to set up an outline font. An outline font is an easy to read font that is built into the GTCP module, and each letter is scalable, and with the change in size, the edges of the characters will be smooth always. So the end of this code, within these quotations, we'll write hello YouTube, and this text will be written onto the display. So next we'll hit send command and you'll see hello YouTube pop up on the display. Now let's show an image onto the display. So first we want to expand FROM2, as this will be the node we'll be dealing with. And let's find an image that we want to display in Windows Explorer. So I'll go to pictures and sample pictures, and I'll choose the lighthouse photo, and I'll drag it and drop it into FROM2. You'll see it pops up right there. We need to click on the FROM2 node and specify the resolution as 800 by 480 because the image we're using is larger than that. Once we click on Lighthouse JPG, we'll see that it compensates the resolution from 1024 by 768 to 800 by 480, so it can be properly viewed on the module. And we'll hit the checkbox next to On GT to preview that on the module. Thanks for watching.